errors on the bank statement and in journals. Now, the bank can also make errors. For example, it may enter an item on our bank statement or bank account rather that actually should have reflected on another business's bank account, or it could simply enter an incorrect amount on the bank statement. So in that particular case, it is fairly easy. If on the bank statement the incorrect item or incorrect amount was debited, we will have to do the opposite, namely make a credit on the bank reconciliation statement. And vice versa. In other words, if the item was incorrectly credited on the bank statement, then we will have to make a debit on our equivalent to the bank statement, namely the bank reconciliation statement. The following month, on the new bank statement, it should match the previous month's bank recon statement and sort itself out. On the other hand, we could in fact make errors either in our CRJ or CPJ where we recorded incorrect amounts. Now, if we recorded a value that was too low, we will simply have to get the difference between the actual amount of the entry and the one that we recorded and record it in the same book as we recorded the too low entry. So for example, if we recorded the entry that was too low on the CRJ, let's say it was 50 Rand instead of 450 Rand, we will still have to add an additional entry of 450 Rand in the CRJ. The same principle applies to the CPJ. On the other hand, if we recorded an amount that is too high, the difference between the amount that is too high and the amount that we already recorded, that difference we will have to record in the opposite journal. So for example, if we recorded an amount that was too high in the cash payments journal, that was 450 higher than it should have been, that difference of 450 we will have to record in the CRJ for everything to cancel itself out.